All right, we're gonna start working on this 61 Scout again. Kind of reorganizing the garage because it's a mess. I'll put the Scout over there forward in that bay. I flipped the fridge around so I can still use it with the Scout sitting over there. But these tires keep going flat, so I got some new tires. And I got Robbie out here helping me. Hey, whose car is this?
Mine.
Huh?
Mine.
Yours? Yep. This is gonna be his when he's 16, so he's gonna help me work on it. But let's get these wheels off. I already took the other two off on that side because I didn't want them getting smushed if it fell off the jacks or anything stupid. So, all right, take it off, buddy. Yep. Here. Nope. There you go. There. Full. Go. Okay. Wait. Technical difficulties. Oh, great. Oh, the other side came right off. Keep trying it. It'll either come off or break. Nope. Just put the impact on and keep going.
It won't go in.
Yes, it will. You got to keep it straight. There you go. Go. Let's try it. Yeah, let me try it. Alright. I'll be right back once we get this one off. Alright. We figured it out. They're reverse threads. Should have known being a 61. There we go. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. Okay. And then spin the tire some more. Alright. That's right. Let go. Alright. And the wheel's free. It's coming. Here, sometimes if it's stuck in there, you can just thread it back on a little bit. Jiggle the socket off. Man, that one's really on there. Yeah, well, either way. Alright. There it goes. Alright, let's get the back one off. Tiny little drums. Nope, do the top one. That way the impact will fit. Alright, you're good. Alright. That one's probably going to be a booger because it's stuck. Nope, gotta get it out. Should be the same. Yep, there you go.
It won't let me go.
Nope. Oh. There you go. There you go. Keep going. See, it's on. Oh, come on. Okay. There we go. Okay. Whoa. That one's definitely a different size. It's not. It's a different size. Oh, that's weird. Alright, got the other side socket.
It's going in.
Just tap it on there. There. Okay. Alright, we're good. We'll throw these all in the truck and then go to the shop and mount the new tires. One more. Nope. Got it. Alright. At the shop, tire machine, getting rid of these old 4 mismatched, dry rotted piles of crap for some Amazon special Thunderer track grip. These are 235, 75, 15, load range C. And as far as the cheaper mud terrain tires that were somewhat affordable on Amazon, these had the most tread depth. Something to keep your eye on if you do want some cheap tires on Amazon. But to be fair, I know they're not going to be great. I know they're probably going to only last a couple years, but it's going on his truck. He's only 8. So realistically, in 8 years when he's driving it, these are going to be wore out and ruined anyway. So that's probably not what he's ever going to drive on anyhow. So back to mounting these. I'll pop these off real quick and show you a special little trick for mounting those. Hook your back up.
What?
Stand in front of it. Hold that bar flat down and then step on the left pedal. No, left. No, other foot. Other foot. There you go. Hold that bar flat.
Now?
Yep. Alright, let go. Now the next one's going to be way trickier. Especially if I only have one hand. Alright, lift the tire up. Keep going. Yep. Pull that bar down. The bar. Yep. Yep. Alright, hold it flat. And hit the pedal. Yep. Yep.
You like it?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. There you go.
Stop!
Freaking nest in there. Yep. We gotta cut the old valve stem off. Not yet. I'm glad when I went to O'Reilly's, I wanted these, but I thought there might have been a chance that it was the fatter old style, and guess what it was. So, here, hold this for a sec. Yeah, and these are weird since they go straight in. You really can't use the rim to pull them in. So you just gotta kind of yank on them. Flip up your bead. So the tire slides on nice. How come all the other ones went no problem? Of course, the one I'm videoing is a pain in the butt. Okay. So if we try to air this tire up right now, there's too big of a gap, so the tire won't take air. So I learned this trick the other day. Tack the bead with this tire mounting compound, because I didn't want to use that cheetah. Turn around and show them that yellow tank. The little yellow tank is for blowing the bead on, and there's too big of a gap. But it's not the safest thing in the world, so I didn't want to do that with Roddy here with me. So we're doing this way. This works pretty good, but when the tire seats, it blows the compound stuff kind of everywhere. We try to go slow, but it's kind of hard to get it just right. Almost there. Okay.
Dad, there's a little gap over here.
Okay. There we go. And for the other three, I had the valve core in. This makes a good enough seal to where you can air it up. So slippery. I'm gonna throw it out that way, so make sure you.
Big ice cube.
We're getting close. This one's real stubborn. There it goes.
Everywhere.
Now once it's mounted,
Everywhere.
you just air it up to whatever PSI is it set to. And the other one threw it all the way and it hit the roof.
Get
I'll
over
have to
there.
go on a little slower with it so it doesn't go as high.
Like that one.
Yep. Okay, and then the cool stuff about this is when you're done with it, kind of Play-Doh-y, you just throw it right back in the bucket and reuse it. As long as it doesn't get all dirty on the floor. Like this, it's fine. Kind of weird, it's got like fiber in it.
I can do this one.
Okay. You just keep on using it until it gets too dirty to keep using it. And then with throw it on the balancer, get it balanced, and get them back on the truck. Alright, I'm balancing tire. When they make these tires, they know where the heavy spot is, and you're supposed to line that up with the valve stem so they balance out as good as they can.
It's like a race car.
And this one wants 3 ounces, which is the heaviest out of the 4, but not so bad considering. But yeah, we'll hammer the weights on, we'll get this home, and we'll get them put on. Alright, we're back. We're putting the 2 wheels that had the most weight on the back. Go ahead. There you go. I'd say they look a little better.
Should I do it?
Yep. Now, normally I would have knocked that stud out and got the replacement and lug nut, but there's some work to be done on this front end. I would like to actually swap in a pair of like TJ Jeep axles, so I got some disc brakes, stronger Dana 44s, because these are tiny axles. I mean, just absolutely dinky. I think it's like a Dana 30 rear, Dana 28 front. But what are you doing? You're going the wrong way. These are reverse thread, bud. No, put it on by hand. Like you're loosening it. There you go. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. No. I think that was the one that was gummed up and stuck out before.
There.
Keep going. Keep going. Gosh. Keep going. Yep. No. Oh my God. Yes, keep it. No. What are you doing? Go. Oh my God, you did it again. Okay. Just hit the trigger. Oh my God. What are you? Oh man. Leave it on there. Impact it on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. There. Now it's on. It's confusing because it's a reverse thread. All right. Put the tool back on it and jiggle it off. There. All right. Now do the next one.
The next one's a little one.
Okay. Next one's a little one. Keep going. Keep going. It didn't. All right. That's it. You're done. All right. Sweet. All right. There we go. Like I said, I'll do the other side because it's a little tight on the other side. I don't want them stuck between if it falls off the jack stand or whatever.
Yeah.
But now I can at least move it around the shop. Like I said, I'm going to throw it over on the other side so we can start working on it, get it running. But thanks for watching. See you on the next one.